Hello, my name's Harley Harrison with Leer. Today we're doing an install on an SR250. Step 1. Add your sill to the middle of the bulkhead, firmly compressing down. It's important to make sure that you clean your surface first. When installing your sill, you want to make sure that the larger part of the sill is facing towards the cab. When installing your rail, you want to make sure that your release latch is towards the tailgate. Okay. Slide your clamp through the channel. When installing your rail, you want to back your screws out as much as possible. At a slight angle, rotate your rail. Checking your clamps, making sure they're not by any of the tabs. A little bit of pressure, pushing towards the cab of the truck. Snug your bottom screw. Grab your Allen wrench. Put a little bit of pressure, making sure that you're setting on top of your bed rail cap. Then you want to remove your bottom screw. After tightening all of your clamps, repeat the same process on the other side. After installing your rails, grab your cover and set it towards your bulkhead. Before installing your nut, unloosen your screws, remove your washers. Slide it into the groove and repeat this on the other side. After sliding your bolts in, rotate the unit and slide it into its slots. Unstrap the unit. Pull your flap sill out. Take your washer and your lock nut and your flower nut and add it to your screw. Tighten down. After tightening your flower nut, grab your second safety nut, tighten it down by using your 5mm Allen wrench. Repeat the same process on the other side. Unroll the unit. On the sink latch frame, there's a little slot right in this area. Rotate the frame into its slot and pull down. On your sides, pull your fabric firmly tight. Get all the slack out. This completes our install on our SR250. Thank you for watching.